Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 1984 Honda Big Red. Somebody started to do some work on it. It's got really nice set of matched tires. We'll list the backs as a pair in the front, so you might want to get to both listings if you want them all. All the headlight parts and everything are there. The front brake is missing. The lever, the brake works, and it's got aftermarket handlebars. The seat base is there, foam is there, but it's pretty far up. Otherwise, it's all there. Everything works. Let me start it up. Recall works good. Starts good.